gonna start my inside cab inspection. Seat belt present on two sides, has no cuts, no frays, latches and unlatches properly. Fire extinguisher, full ABC or BC type, safety pin present, inspection tech here. Reflector triangles, a set of 3, all in good condition. Fuses, a set of every kind. Safe start, double check spring brakes, engine on. ABS light comes on, then goes off. Temperature gauge is working, rising slowly to normal operating range. Oil pressure gauge is working, rising slowly to normal operating range. Warning light is off. Voltmeter is charging between 13 and 14 volts. Air pressure gauges. Air pressure gauge is rising to full air pressure, 120 or 125 psi. Check lights. Low beam and high beam working properly. Check signals. Left turn signal, right turn signal, four-way flashers working properly. Check horns. Electrical horn and air horn working properly. Windshield clean, no obstruction, no cracks. Heater and defroster. Working properly. Safety inspection and insurance stickers. Current. Washers. Working properly. Wipers secure. Working properly. Blades have no cuts. Mirrors. Clean, no obstruction, properly adjusted on both sides. Okay, now we're gonna perform a brake test. First, you're gonna test parking brake, yellow knob. Engine on, build pressure, we're gonna apply parking brake, release trailer brake, transmission drive. I'm gonna try to move slowly. My truck does not move. My parking brake works properly. Now I'm gonna apply spring brakes, transmission is neutral. Now you're gonna test trailer brake, red knob. Engine on, build pressure, release parking brake, apply trailer brake, transmission in drive, try to move slowly. My truck does not move, my parking brake works properly. Apply spring brakes, transmission in neutral. Now you're gonna perform combination service brake test. Engine on, build pressure, release spring brakes, transmission in drive. Now I'm gonna drive about 5 miles per hour. I'm gonna apply and hold service brake with steering wheel released. Check mirrors. Vehicle should stop straight, steering wheel should not move. If not, probably suspension, tire inflation, or brakes. Apply spring brakes, transmission in neutral. Now we're gonna perform apply leak test. But before I apply leak test, I'm gonna need to chock my wheels. Okay, the wheels are chocked. Now we can perform apply leak test. Engine on. Build pressure. Engine off. Ignition on. Now I'm going to release spring brakes. Wait for about 10 seconds for air loss to stabilize. Then I'm going to apply and hold service brake pedal for 1 minute. The loss of air should not be more than 4 psi per minute in combination vehicle. The loss rate was no more than 4 psi. It means my truck is not leaking. Apply leak test was successful. Apply spring brakes. Now we're going to perform a first fan down test. Engine on. Build pressure. Okay. Engine off. ignition on. Now I'm gonna release spring brakes and start to pump brake pedal till 60 psi. Warning light and buzzer working properly. Second fan down test. I'm gonna keep pumping my brake pedal till 45 to 20 psi until the spring brakes pop out. My spring brakes pop out, trailer brake pop out first to prevent jackknife. Now I'm gonna check governor. First you're gonna double check spring brakes, engine on. Now you have to build air pressure more 125 psi or till the governor cut out. Okay, governor cut out. I finished my inside cap inspection.